welcome to Steleo. Hi guys, today we're going to make a chocolate pizza versus a normal pizza.
So today we're going to do a pizza challenge where we'll do a traditional pizza, a pepperoni pizza,
and a chocolate pizza.
And a chocolate pizza, yes. And at the end we will try which one tastes best.
No.
Isn't it?
Which one tastes awesome?
Which one tastes awesome? Let's get started, guys.
Let's get started. Side idea. You roll it and I sprinkle flour on it. When you need teamwork, I sprinkle flour on it. Let's go roll it.
Okay.
So roll it. Roly-poly. Let's put some pasta sauce. Time for the macaroni shake. Mozzarella cheese, and for the mozzarella cheese. Now we're gonna put some cheese in. And it looks yummy. So wait, first the cheese needs to be all finished. So put them around each other like that. I hope this is looking good now. No, it's not. Time to try the macaroni cheese. Time to put this in the oven. So, first things first. Don't touch it, it's very hot. Guys, in the meantime, let's make chocolate pizza. Time for the chocolate pizza.
What are you doing, guys? Are you putting all the Oreos in the bag?
Yeah. Now we have to like guys, now let's put some butter in. Agitate.
Which pizza do you think will be the yummiest?
I think chocolate.
What about you, Stella? What do you think? Which one will be the yummiest pizza?
The candy one.
The candy one? Oh, I think the pepperoni will be the yummiest.
Why?
Because I love pepperoni pizza.
But you might want to try these also. Because it's going to taste even better, I think. If you
okay.
like chocolate Oreos. Do you like Oreos?
I do.
Better than pizza?
I like them both.
So do you like pizzas better?
No, I think I like chocolate as much as I like pizza.
Guys, now let's transfer it to the tray. Make sure you use the spoon.
We have so many toppings. Look at this. We have marshmallows,
I'm just
we
gonna
have
dump this
M&Ms,
thing.
we have white chocolate chips, and we have so many sprinkles.
Guys, Now let's put the white chocolate. Guys, now let's put the toppings on. I'm gonna put the sprinkles first. Now I'm gonna do marshmallows. Guys, our picture looks awesome now.
Whoa, so many sprinkles. Oh my goodness, look at this.
All done.
All
I'm
done.
gonna spread more sprinkles around properly. Done.
Wow.
It looks so yummy. Our candy pizza is ready, guys.
Look at this, they are ready. Oh my goodness, which one do you think is yummiest? What? Stella, what about you? They are looking beautiful. Look at this. Let's taste them.
Good. Guys, now let's give it a go. Let's not give it a go. Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. Is it that delicious? Is it yum, Stella?
A double thumbs up.
So which one is the winner, guys?
Chocolate.
Is it the chocolate?
Guys, you can try this at home too. Bye, guys.